Hi guys, I hope you're having a happy Sunday, and oh yeah, happy Memorial Week everybody. I hope you're just feeling great today, staying safe during this pandemic, and I hope everybody is back to their normal routine, or almost back to their normal routine. And if you like my videos, or if you like my channel, please like down below and ring that bell, and then notice that you love me and my channels. And I'll be doing some other videos this week, and I'm actually heading home to have supper. I think we're having pizza tonight. Plus, I haven't seen my friends in like 3 weeks. I had that stupid infection, and I haven't been able to walk outside my door, see my friends. I haven't been able to do anything. It's been very lonely lately, ever since I had this infection, and I've been at home ever since, and I've been drawing pictures. I've been doing everything. It's been very lonely for me. I've been inside. I've been just on one foot for about 3.5 weeks inside. Plus, I've been in there, just worrying about myself, trying not to get sick. Plus, I had that infection in my leg, and it's been pretty lonely. So I've been crying lately. Well, I'm not crying now, but I've been crying when I was home with that infection, and that's when I felt that I just was very lonely during this pandemic, and I couldn't see my friends or anything. I couldn't go around them. I couldn't do anything. But now I can. But still, I have to just stay cautious about what my surroundings. But still, you can go out and see your friends. You can do it. But just be very, very careful that you just be careful around what you do. You never know what's going to happen. Just be careful what you do, or whatever you do. So yes, it's been that way for about 3 weeks now, and I'm very blessed, and I'm very happy that I can go out and I can enjoy myself without cutting my leg or whatever, and getting that disease or whatever I had on my leg. Plus, I can go out and I can spend time with my friends, but still have to wear a mask. And I'm also gonna actually say an update on my health, because I'm doing fine. I just hope you guys are doing fine. I just wish everything around you is actually okay. And ever since this pandemic started, it's been very lonely. And I just, for everybody it's been like that. I kind of felt like that because I didn't have it. I actually wanted to see my friends again, and that's ew. That's nasty. I saw a dead fish. Anyways, it's been like that for like a month now. And if you guys love my channel and it shows me that you care, and I will actually get back to you as soon as I can, and if you actually love my channel, you would actually follow my channel, and you can follow my my Instagram. I'm no longer on Facebook at all whatsoever. I used to be on Facebook, but I'm not on there anymore because no one talks to me on it. I quit using Facebook. I got Facebook like 3 months ago, and ever since no one talked to me. During this pandemic, during the same thing, and during my infection in my leg, I couldn't walk one bit, and now I'm okay, but still, no one would talk to me during this, and this is weird. Like, we're still going through this pandemic, and I'm just worried that this thing is gonna go skyward again, and everybody's gonna get sick. And I don't know. I just want everybody to stay healthy and stay clean. If you do agree with me, like my channel down below, and you can actually follow me on my Instagram, or just follow me on my channel itself. My channel is Jeremy Hadley Last Kicker, and Last Kicker, and my YouTube name is, yeah, that's my YouTube name. And I used to have a Facebook, which I'm not on Facebook anymore. I'm never going on there again, ever again, because I felt lonely on there, and it's the way it goes when you don't talk to me. I will take this stuff down, and I will never put it back up again. I hate it. Well, I still have a Instagram. Just to let you know, I miss every last one of you, and I miss being around people. I miss being around the people that really mean much to me. I miss everything. It's been nothing without you, and I just want to say, without you, it's nothing. By the way, if you haven't went and got your temperature taken, it's a good idea to do it. So, oh, and the theme parks are opening back up in June, but I don't know if wait, people from outside of the state might not be able to get into the park, because that way they'll just crowd more people, and we'll start an even more bigger infection. So I don't know. I'm just worried if this thing is gonna get worse or whatever. So I think the crowd need to be a little lower. If you agree, let me know down below if you agree with this opinion, because I think crowds need to be lower, because yeah. By the way, there was supposed to be a new stunt show opening. The Jason Bourne Stunt Spectacular was supposed to open up a couple months ago, or it might open up when the park opens. And by the way, this show might be a little intense for young children, so be by their side. It might scare them. There's a very intense fire effect that we might see a couple gunshots, and they actually do fire off a machine gun in the show. So we gotta be warned, and it's like very, very loud. So if you're like under the age of 12, you must be 13 or older. This show might scare younger kids. By the way, it's PG-13. Viewers' discretion might be advised. This show was supposed to open up a couple months ago, but it never opened because of the virus. It might be a little intense for young viewers, so I don't know what to say. It's supposed to be very, very loud, and they will fire off a machine gun in this show. I'm just saying. It's a stunt show. By the way, you'll be, I don't know, but if that happens, it will be in the show, if it ever opens. Plus, yes, the park will open up again very soon, this April. And always remember, social distancing is still happening. You must wear a mask at all times wherever you go. Please keep your distances. No one wants to get sick. I just hope everybody is blessed today on this Sunday. And love one another, and just keep them by your side, because it's been 3 months since we haven't seen each other. It's been a hell of a time being alone, and you should know that, man. By the way, I love every one of you. It's been very lonely, and I hope you all are blessed. Like my channel if you love my video, and I will actually see you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Jeremy Hadley Last Kicker, and follow me on my Twitter. If I'm on Twitter, I'm not always on Twitter. I don't have a Facebook. I used to have a Facebook. Well, if you guys do talk to me, I'm thinking about putting it back up. And I also have an Instagram. And I love you guys. Stay weird and stay blessed and stay clean and stay safe. I love you all, and I hope you guys have an excellent day. Stay blessed. I will see you guys tomorrow.